be a benefit in the future. See, like whichever department you have come from, whether it could be like art, science, whatever it is, you have done it from your choice, right? Nobody has forced you. You have done so that you have that clarity in your mind. Whatever I do right now, whether it is good or bad, it is directly going to affect our future somehow or somewhere. And we are in that age of life where we get all those kind of mixed feelings, like we are in that stage where we are not able to, like think properly. We need some guidance, and if the guidance is not provided properly, we might, like get ourselves misguided. And due to that, some might get into the bad choices, or some might get good choices that basically depends on oneself. And like this is the stage where like a lot of teenagers, they get into the bad choices, and we know, right? Maybe some of them are still like present in this platform or not, I don't know. But like the teenagers, they tend to do the things just in spite for fashion, the things that to fit in society, which we say commonly. We do the things, we do the trends, we follow that, and like making it our choice because that's our choice, right? Nobody has forced us to do that. Just to fit in the society, we tend to do the things that is not meant to be done, and because of that, some like some might get a worse result in the future. And whatever choices you make, it's basically depend on yourself. Don't listen to anyone, like a proper guidance is important, but at the end of the time, what matters is you, Like later in future, don't make it like feel yourself. It's no, that was not something that I was meant to be done. Like just follow your passion, whatever your choice is, just focus on to that, and have a proper mindset to differentiate between what is good and what is bad, so that you can make a proper choice for yourself, and like it could be a beneficial in the upcoming future. Because see, whatever we are doing right now, it is to earn money, right? We all agree the fact that whatever we are doing, we are studying. Our parents are working hard for us. We are studying, so like we are working hard. We are doing our best so that whatever our parents are doing, we can return to them, right? So whatever the things you do, please try to keep your parents in mind. Whatever choices you make, please just think of themselves because they are working day and night so that our choices get fulfilled and the results will be beneficial in the future. So last, I just want to say is that always believe in yourself. Whatever choices you make, just believe in that and start working accordingly what you believe you can. Thank you.